Hello, hello. Let's pick some cards today and see what pops out. It's two different decks. Two, 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 two. I am open to the infinite possibilities of expansion. I embrace new opportunities and step out of my comfort zone. My life is a continuous journey of growth and exploration. Anger. Your expectations are not met. Creating frustration, express it in a healthy way. Release, growth, and balance. Family. To prioritize the health and well-being and happiness of those in your family. Reflect on the small, daily moments that demonstrate you care for your family. Consider simple rituals and traditions that signify family togetherness, such as a regular Sunday night supper or a walk together every evening. If you live away from your family, focus on other people who fill the role in your physical vicinity, considering them your chosen family. If your family is small, consider inviting other close friends into your circle to widen your notion of family. Recognize that you might be family of one and nourish that relationship accordingly. Help someone less fortunate. Think about how grateful someone might be to receive your donation. Spread the love by contributing your small change to a collection box. Donate some items you no longer need to your nearest charity store. Volunteer your time at a shelter or soup kitchen. All right. Let's check out this cute little box. Don't offer a lecture to a person who needs a hug. And whether you dance in it or not, the rain will still rain, and the love will still love. Having someone who can handle all of your moods is such a blessing. Love makes your soul come out of hiding. Yes, yes, yes. Sometimes the heart sees what is invisible to the eye. And the last one today. Fall in love with someone who doesn't make you think. Love is hard. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.